Stop scrolling. Imagine paying almost nothing for fuel, skipping oil changes forever, and still beating most gas SUVs at traffic lights. This is not a future car, this is the 2026 Tesla Model Y. And in the next few minutes I'll tell you why this one vehicle is changing how Americans and Asian buyers think about daily driving, family trips, and long-term money savings. The 2026 Tesla Model Y is now one of the most important cars in the USA market. In the United States, the price starts around $46,000 before incentives, and with federal and state EV credits in some states, real street price can drop closer to $40,000. In Japan, after import taxes and registration, the Model Y lands closer to 6 million yen depending on trim. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore, prices vary heavily due to taxes, but generally it sits in the premium SUV category, often between $60,000 to $80,000 equivalent. Even with higher prices in Asia, buyers still line up, and there is a clear reason why. Let's talk fuel, or better to say no fuel at all. The 2026 Model Y is fully electric, so forget gas stations. On a full charge, the long-range version can easily deliver around 330 miles in mixed driving in real-world use. In simple terms, if you drive daily in the city, you charge at home at night and wake up with a full car every morning. In the USA, electricity cost per mile is often 1/3 or even 1/4 of gasoline cost. Compared to a gas SUV that drinks fuel every day, the savings add up fast. Over 5 years, many owners save thousands of dollars just on fuel alone. Maintenance is another big win. No engine oil, no spark plugs, no transmission fluid, and fewer moving parts. That means fewer workshop visits. Tesla maintenance cost is mostly tires, brake fluid, and cabin filter. Brakes also last longer because of regenerative braking. For Asian buyers where service costs can be high and parts delays are common, this simple design is a huge advantage. Tesla's parts availability in the USA is strong, and in Japan and major ASEAN cities, Tesla service centers are expanding fast, making ownership easier than before. Now let's explain performance in very simple words. In city driving, the 2026 Model Y feels instant. You touch the accelerator, and the car moves immediately. No gear changes, no noise, no delay. Traffic lights become easy, and merging into traffic feels stress-free. On highways, the Model Y is stable, quiet, and confident. At 70 miles per hour, it feels relaxed, and overtaking is quick with one smooth push. Even for new EV drivers, the driving experience feels natural within one day. Acceleration is another surprise. Even the standard version is quick, and the dual-motor all-wheel drive version is seriously fast. It can easily beat many traditional SUVs in a straight line. But the best part is that speed comes without noise, vibration, or fuel burn. For families, this smoothness means kids sleep better in the back and long drives feel less tiring. Ownership cost is where the Model Y really shines. In the USA, insurance cost is slightly higher than average compact SUVs, mainly because of repair technology and sensors. However, many insurance companies now offer EV-specific plans, and rates are becoming more competitive. In Japan and ASEAN, insurance can be premium, but again fuel and maintenance savings balance this out over time. Charging at home is the cheapest option, and fast charging on highways is still cheaper than filling a full tank of gas in many countries. Resale value is another strong point. Tesla vehicles hold value better than many EV competitors. Demand remains high in the used market, especially for well-maintained Model Y units. In the USA, resale after 3 to 5 years is strong. In Asian markets where EV supply is still limited, used Model Y prices often stay very high, making it a smart long-term purchase. Now let's do a quick comparison. Some people ask, should I buy this or a Toyota Hilux? These are very different vehicles. The Hilux is a tough pickup made for heavy work, rough roads, and diesel reliability. The Model Y is a smart urban SUV built for efficiency, comfort, and technology. If your daily life is city driving, school runs, office commute, and highway travel, the Model Y makes far more sense. Compared to other Tesla models, like Model 3, the Model Y offers more space, higher seating position, and better practicality for families. For Asian roads and traffic, the Model Y is actually a smart choice. Narrow city streets, heavy traffic, and stop-and-go driving are perfect for electric cars. No engine heat, no clutch work, no fuel waste in traffic jams. The turning radius is easy, cameras help with parking, and the quiet cabin reduces stress in crowded cities. In countries where fuel prices are high, the Model Y feels like a relief for the monthly budget. Technology is another big reason buyers choose this car. The big central screen controls everything. Navigation shows charging points automatically, and software updates keep improving the car without visiting a service center. Features you buy today can actually get better next year. That is something traditional cars still cannot match. So who should buy the 2026 Tesla Model Y? If you want low running costs, smooth driving, modern technology, and strong resale value, this car makes sense. If you are tired of fuel prices, frequent service visits, and noisy engines, this is your upgrade. For USA buyers and overseas Asian buyers, it delivers a future-ready experience today. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button because it really supports the channel. Subscribe now for more high RPM car reviews, EV comparisons, and honest ownership insights. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.